Good day, beautiful beardsters, and today is a good day because our 4 beard oils launch today, and actually right now you can get them for free. You just need to pay shipping, so that's the deal for you right now. Link in the description below. Go take advantage of that right away. They're selling quite well actually. You can get 1 per person, just to make sure it's fair that everyone can benefit from this. So in terms of the beard oils, we've got 4 of them. We've got our original one, which is this beautiful one just here. If I can get it to focus for you. That's an unscented blend. So no scent, no essential oils in there because we don't use any perfumes or anything like that. We just use pure natural oils, pure natural essential oils. There's some organic products in there. We're not fully organic at the moment, just in terms of getting all the organic stuff. It's was proving a little bit harder to find. Eventually we will shift that way. So in terms of all the key 4 ingredients in each of our products, we've got sweet almond oil, which makes up a good portion of our oils to make sure it's fast absorbing and can get into your skin. And then we've got a good amount as well of argan oil and jojoba oil to give you really strong benefits: vitamin E, vitamin B, good nourishment. Jojoba oil, for example, is just so close to your own skin's natural oil sebum. It's just such a good one. And then we've got castor oil, which is a really thick, goopy, viscous sort of oil that has loads of antibacterial, antifungal stuff. So you've got the other 3 oils sort of doing all the nourishment, all the conditioning of the skin and the hair, and we've put this in to give your beard a good kick of freshness. It's going to help keep it clean, and it's got a bunch of other benefits like improving circulation and all sorts. So it's hopefully going to help stimulate hair growth a little bit. I know it's hard to say that it will stimulate growth. We're not saying any of our products do, but what it will do is going to keep your skin in the best condition possible and allow those hairs to pop through everywhere without damaging your skin, without getting pimples, without getting beard druff, beard dandruff, and it's just going to stop that itch ever happening, and the beard's just going to feel good. And I'm really enjoying using it. It's not too thick, not too runny, so when you put it on, you know it's on. It just doesn't sort of weigh your beard down completely. So we've also got chai lemon. Chai lemon was designed because I love lemongrass chai lattes. They're so sweet, so fresh, so sickly, and I kind of wanted to incorporate that scent onto my face. So I started off with the lemongrass scent and sort of worked a few different combinations with a few different essential oils, and now we've sort of come up with the perfect blend. We think we've got some vanilla type scent in there, and we've got the tea tree for a kick of freshness. So sort of all 3 of them balance each other out, get a big blast of citrusy, you get a bit of sweetness come through and a bit of freshness from the tea tree, and all of them have their own unique benefits that really improve your skin. Next, we've got Old Love, and we've only just put these on sale pretty much this morning for our email subscribers who get priority over everyone else, and Old Love is just going, like, everyone's wanting this one, so we're running low already on this one. We've got more in the bank, don't worry, we can make a bunch more up pretty quickly. I mean, I say quickly, it's going to be a busy week. But Old Love, so sandalwood and vanilla, so all the key ingredients in there, plus those 2 essential oils blended in. And it's an interesting scent out of all of them for me, and it's because you can really smell like that woody sort of barkiness of the sandalwood sort of kicking through, and you can tell it's sandalwood. And then you get the sort of nuttiness and sweetness of the vanilla, but compared to like the vanilla scent that we use in the chai lemon blend, it's completely different with the sandalwood, and they really work differently, and it's a more earthy, nutty, and sort of smoky scent, and I'm quite enjoying this one. I've been testing these products out for 2-3 months now, and I've used Old Love more than any other for its sort of smoky, woody, sweet. Just the whole combination has really got me, even though I'm normally a citrus lover. I love the chai lemon one, for example, but this one really is doing something for me at the moment. And last but certainly not least, and this is one that we sort of blended quite late on, and we've been perfecting actually over a shorter time span, and that is New World. New World, we just love the name. It's a new sort of scent that we've not really experienced from anyone else at the moment. And we really like this combination, and it's ylang ylang and lime. And the lime is really hard hitting. You spray that on and whoa, you can smell the lime. And it's a really beautiful citrusy scent. But the ylang ylang soon just cuts through, and that lime actually disperses quite speedily. And we wanted the lime to give that initial freshness. We didn't want it to be the star of the show. We really wanted the ylang ylang to be the star of the show, and this is one essential that you do actually have to be careful with, because you can't have too much of it in any dilution. So the dilution is perfect, it's safe to use, and that really sort of, it's a really difficult flavour to describe, because for some reason it reminds me of Parma Violets, the little purple sweets. You might not know what they are. I'll try and, you know, impose something on here. And it's got that sort of sickly, sweet floral scent. But then that scent changes very quickly. So you go from the citrus of the lime to a sweet, sickly scent of the ylang ylang, which is a very nice yellow flower. And then it sort of changes, and the two work together, and it dulls the scent down quite a bit. But you get this beautiful floral, and it is a floral scent. So if you're not a floral lover, you won't like this, really. Maybe try it, it's free. And it just sort of lasts, and you can really get a good kick of it for quite some time throughout the day, which is rare for a natural product. And it does last quite a nice while, and it slowly burns away and leaves you with that nice sort of earthy floral feeling. So the plan going forward is to start off with these oils, and the money that comes in from the sales of these oils initially will then get reinvested back into company, so that we can make some conditioning and style beard balms. We've also got a beard salve that we're trying to work out how to do it without using any chemical products, natural products. So sometimes hard to get the sort of desired effect, and that's going to be one of our stars of the show if we get that right. And we're also going to be bringing out more beard oils. We want 12 beard oils in total. We've already got a bunch of others. I mean, we had about 25 different sample beard oils, and we chose to launch with these 4. So we've got a lot more in the bank. We've got some scents based around cloves, frankincense, more on ylang ylang, more on lime, orange, mandarin combinations. We've got a whole load more, and we're going to slowly bring those out, because what we're actually going to be offering. So just a quick breakdown in terms of price. Each 10ml bottle is $7.99 plus shipping. Anywhere in the world, we'll happily get that to you. We're also going to offer a subscription model where you just pay a monthly fee, and it'll be a reduction in price for the subscription model. We're just working out on the complete price, because we're going to include all the postage and packaging and everything else. It's going to be just one price that you pay each month, and it'll work out to be more cost effective than buying a bottle, because a 10ml bottle should last you, depending on the size of your beard, at the moment it's lasting me about 28, 29, 30 days, depending on how much I use, because you only need about 1 to 2 squirts of it per use. You really don't need a huge amount whatsoever. So guys, that is the breakdown. That's where we're at now. Go to the website, pick up your free oil. You've got nothing to lose, really. And just give us some feedback. Let us know what you think of it. If you find us on Instagram, Facebook, you find us everywhere pretty much. And just look out in the future. So our next video is going to be on styling and cutting the mustache, because that's what I just did. And then we're also going to do a video on how to blow dry your beard most effectively. Also some hairstyling tips. And we're also going to show you how to do the neckline, because we've had some requests on that one. And my neckline, well, you can't see it at the moment, but I need to give it some love. So perfect timing, really. And we've got a bunch more content ready for you guys throughout the year. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.